C'est tout. Okay, so only way up is with these stairs. So yeah. Oh fuck. Let's see how that goes. I mean, this one doesn't look too bad, honestly. Oh god, it gets so much sketchier up there. Well, what do I fall into? Okay. Oh man, it's so sketchy. Whoa. Opens up quite a bit once you're up here. I trust these because the metal underneath all the concrete downstairs looked alright. What the fuck? Huh. That's shitty. No. Fuck, that's sketchy. Oh wow. At least the stairs are here. What the fuck? Oh man, what? Whoa, the board's warped. All these random weirdly shaped rocks here, but they're not. They were bags of cement or concrete or the fuck they were using, and they just hardened on the pallet, which is hilarious. Look at that. It's just like a bag shape of concrete. It's so funny. It's weird. There's a lot of them too. It's interesting. Fuck are there street poles in the middle of nowhere? Alright, so this is a more in a populated area of the upstairs in the first building, full of random shit. Looks like there's a freezer. Oh god, please don't be anything. Okay, that's good. That's alright, there's nothing. Alright, there's a stove for some reason. I mean, I don't really know. Looks like someone was trying to live under here, or maybe this is just like staff room when they were working on it. I actually kind of think that's what it was. But it's pretty fucking epic. Yeah. Some water jugs. Bruh, that's $5 each jug. Oh yeah. Oh man. This place is so sketchy. I really can't. Oh, brakes? What the fuck? I really can't tell how old it's built, like, cause some of the shit, like the dried bags of concrete out there, is just kind of ridiculous. So I'm not entirely sure how long this building's been here. What in the world? What the fuck? Awesome. It looks like this one we can go. What the that curve, that sketch. Alrighty. Hopefully we don't die. Oh man, that stair's loose. Oh! Ow! Fuck. Jesus. Yeah, there's nothing up here I need to continue up here for. Oh, dude. What the fuck? Alright, let's see if we can get into the other side. Ow. Fuck. I hate this path thing. Just hang over top of everything. I don't know why everything's so overexposed right now. Well, the lock. Doesn't even look like there's anything here. One sec, I'm gonna get in here and then I'll. Alright. I'm out. Let's go. Back to the dinghy. Oh, fuck. Alright, well, see ya.